Building off of what we set up in our first lesson, we went ahead and duplicated the pop-up hotspot for each of the blips on our map. Since we've already set up the interaction, all we need to do is to adjust it to target the appropriate pop-up and simply repeat for all of the remaining hotspots. Once all of our interactions are finalized, the only thing left to do is to add some subtle animations. Let's select all of the separate pop-up groups and navigate to the animate panel. We're going to apply two simple animations in this case, a fade in up animation for when it is viewed and a fade out down for when it is hidden. We can leave all of the default time and durations in this case. The last thing we want to animate is the blips on the canvas. A nice effect we can create here is to set our animations to cascade in one after another. An easy way to do this is to select all of the blips at once and then slightly tweak the delay as we move along. Let's start by applying a fade in animation with a 2-second delay. To get the cascading effect we mentioned, we're simply going to hold our Command key and deselect the first blip in the Layers panel. Now all we need to do is slightly increase the delay. We'll add 0.2 seconds in this case. Continue this animation timing for the remainder of the blips. When you're finished, go ahead and load up the preview window to see all of your hard work in action. The blips add a nice touch to entice people to interact, and the pop-ups are working as expected. Feel free to experiment with different effects and your own assets to get the map just the way you like it. If you have any questions while creating your interactive map, feel free to reach out in the chat widget and be sure to check out our other advanced courses on interactions and animations.